Hi friends, welcome to Communication Skill Enhancement Practice. One thing common between you and me is that we all want to grow in our life, and for our growth, the most critical skill which we require is the communication skills. Because if you are doing a business, if you are doing a job, it will both helpful for our career growth and also helpful for our business growth. Because at a certain level, you may be things may work if you have lack of communication skills, but if you have to grow further, then we have to improve our communication skills, our English speaking skills, because if you have to do anything globally, then English is the only language. In our country also, we have more and more different languages, and you cannot communicate to people if you do not have a skill in English language. So we should learn and respect our regional language, but at the same time we should also practice to improve our English speaking, because at certain level we have to speak in English. You may have seen Harbhajan Singh, the cricketer, who is struggled. Harbhajan Singh, Yuvraj Singh, was reached at very peak level, but at that level also they are unable to speak with the mentor, to speak with other peoples, because they don't know how to speak in English. At that level, they have to learn English and then they can able to speak English. But that is the problem, because when we are doing something, we should project that we can go ahead, and if we will go ahead, then we will need certain things. We really need certain things when we will go ahead. So let be ready for that. Same thing, if you have to go outside and spend one night, then we know that we may not require now the dress or the night suits, but when we will be there at night, then we maybe require a night suit. So why don't we pick it now? So this is the same thing for our English speaking also. If we know that we have to stay somewhere in English, then let us prepare for it, because it is going to take some time, because it is a language and it is not that easy to get fluent in it. We have to give some time to it. So if you will not give time when we need it, before we need it, then at the time of requirement we may struggle, and we may unable to influence, and we may unable to grow, and that is happening to many people, because they are not forecasting the requirements the basic requirement which can be in future. They are just happy with the things which is in present, but we should forecast for our futures, and we should be prepared for our future so that we can grow. So English speaking and communication skill is a very important skill if we have to grow in our life. So today I will speak about 7 tricks, so that we can be acquainted to the skills, and I will suggest, if you can do it, all 7 things. If you can't able to do it in every day, you should at least make a diary and check that how many times you can doing all these things in a month, in a week, so that you are improving. You can see there will be certain improvement in your English speaking and communication skills. So this all things are proven. So try it, and this all are tested. If you will try, you can also feel the difference. So let's start. The first thing is attending webinars. Yes friends, time is changing, learning has taken some new modes, and so we have to adapt that. So now webinar learning from different mentors through webinars is the best way to learn. Rather than going somewhere, we should we should at first pick one mentor who is good at English, and there are also many mentors who are doing with very less amount free webinars, and which also they are doing small free webinars, also doing charge very small amounts and doing webinars. So you can attend webinars of some good mentors where you can learn a lots of things. You can ask people, you can learn a lots of things. So the first thing is attending webinars from a good mentor, and the second thing is reading books, because book reading is very important. So reading book at least once in a week. At least once in a week we should read book loudly, and let's grasp the knowledge and practice English also. This, because English is a language, and what I feel that we can learn different things, and at the same time we can learn English. We can discuss different things in English of our other aspect, and at the same time we are improving our communication skill and English speaking skills. So you can practice it. And the third thing is voice chat group. If you have some like-minded people, then you can start a group of voice chatting. So you can chat when you are free. You can chat what you are feeling, and 2 to 3 minutes chatting of group. If other people will give feedback, then you can listen there and give their feedback, and this will create a good impact. This is the third thing. Fourth thing is watch some quality discussions. In cricket also you can see some good discussions of the players of the other people's. In TV also you can see some good discussions. So you have to find out, because you cannot waste time. You have to find out some quality discussions, and you have to give at least 10 to 15 minutes how the people are discussing, how they are expressing their thoughts in English. But you should not be wasting your time. You should pick the right people and watch him as a learner. You have to watch him how they are expressing, how they are using other body language, how they are expressing people, how they are using the words, which words they are using most. So as a learner you have to watch that. And the fifth thing is writing, because we get all the knowledge from these things, or 4-5 things, then we have to write and share our knowledge. So sharing knowledge in social media, I am not in favor of writing in diary. You can, if you have a practice, then you can write in diaries, but I will suggest that you have to write in YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. You have to write some long posts. You can watch other people's other people are commenting in YouTube. You can see how other people are posting in Facebook and Instagram. You can see how in some good post in LinkedIn. So you can comment on their post, and you can write some good post. That will be help to improve your personal branding also. Because if you have a business, if you have a job, then you can share your knowledge. If you are business, you can improve your sales tools. You can share your service quality, your satisfied customers. Then your business will also improve through that. You are improving your communication skills, as well as you are improving your personal branding and your business also. So this all things will help. And next thing is making video. What I am doing is now making video, because video making will also practice. This practice will also improve your English speaking skills, your thinking ability, and interest in learning more. These things also help. And making video will also is a recorded format. You can access it later also. You can make file and keep all the videos. Later you can access it, and then you can know that which area I am lacking and which area I am good, which area is my strength. You have to identify your strength, And then you can also identify that after making different long time making videos, your ability to speak is improving. You will identify that you are improving your communication skills, and I am giving guarantee to you that you will be definitely improve when you will do making video. So next, last thing but not the least, is focusing on your body language, because when the starting of our life, when human life has started, they start to communicating with a body language. They don't have any language, they communicate only through their body, and this thing is still in our blood. People watch more your body language than your than what you speak. So what other people also, I have observed other mentors, that they are saying that 55% impact which you able to influence through your body language only. So it is 55% impact. So you have to focus on it, because it is more than speaking. So the way your body is behaving, people are responding in that same way. If you smile, people smile. If you are looking not happy, then people also think that why he is not happy. If you are dancing, then people understand that you are very happy and enjoying. So body language has a very huge impact. Learn that skills and practice it when you are making video. This all will help. So I have given all the 7 points, which is very helpful. If you practice it, if you do it, then it will really improve your English speaking skills. If you really want to grow in your life, then you have to at least pick 3 to 4 from it, and if you can pick all the things, then your speaking ability, your communication ability will improve drastically. So practice it. Daily practice will improve your communication skills, and small improvement will boost your confidence.